Well, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a custom alarm sound on your Android phone. So if you want to wake up to a cow mooing or something like that, you can very easily come up with a custom sound. Let's go to the Google Play Store, go to search, and let's go to search for Zedge, Zedge. To type this in, going down, go to this symbol, Zedge wallpapers and ringtones. You can come up with custom ringtones on here very easily too. So let's install this and open it up. Hit the X in the top right if there is any kind of ads or anything. Then we can go to search Zedge, and let's do that now. Let's go with a cow mooing. Cow mooing. Okay. Then we can come up with a ringtone right here. We can get ringtones for, if someone calls. But if we go on down, we got notification sounds, collections, etc. So let's go to notification sounds. We can go ahead and get this. So I can see there's some cow mooings. Okay, great. Let's get this one. Let's go to the download option. So we can save it to the different options. So we can set it as alarm right here, set it as notification, set it as ringtone. So I'm going to set it as my alarm. Now, anytime I set my alarm clock, I'm going to wake up with that mooing sound repeatedly. So it's very easy to set a custom notification, ringtone, or alarm. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below.